Okay, audiences, in this informative video clip, I would like to discuss the history of our universe. The history of the universe begins with a remarkable event known as the Big Bang. Around 13.8 billion years ago, all the matter and energy in the universe were packed into an incredibly tiny and dense point, often referred to as a singularity. Suddenly, this singularity underwent a rapid expansion, creating space, time, and all the matter and energy we see today. During the first few moments after the Big Bang, the universe was unimaginably hot and dense. As it expanded, it started to cool down, allowing subatomic particles like protons, neutrons, and electrons to form. Within a fraction of a second, the universe was filled with a hot plasma of these particles. As the universe continued to expand and cool, roughly 380,000 years after the Big Bang, a significant event occurred. At this point, the temperature dropped enough for the protons and electrons to combine and form neutral atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium. This process is known as recombination, and it marked the birth of light. Photons, which are particles of light, were able to travel freely through space, creating what we now call the cosmic microwave background (CMB) radiation. Over millions of years, tiny fluctuations in the density of matter within the universe began to grow due to the force of gravity. These fluctuations eventually led to the formation of structures called galaxies. Within galaxies, clouds of gas and dust clumped together under gravity, forming stars. The first generation of stars was primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. As stars formed and exhausted their nuclear fuel, some of them exploded in gigantic explosions called supernovae. These explosions scattered heavier elements, such as carbon, oxygen, and iron, into space. These elements became the building blocks for future generations of stars and planets. Around 4.6 billion years ago, within one of these galaxies, our own solar system was born. A rotating disk of gas and dust surrounded a young star, the Sun. Over time, this material came together, forming planets, including our home, Earth. Since the birth of the universe, it has been continuously expanding. Galaxies, including our Milky Way, have been moving away from each other. Scientists discovered this expansion by observing a shift in the light emitted by distant galaxies, known as redshift. The further away a galaxy is, the greater the redshift and the faster it appears to be moving away. In recent decades, scientists have also made intriguing observations suggesting that the expansion of the universe is accelerating. This discovery led to the proposal of dark energy, a mysterious force driving this accelerated expansion. Dark energy is thought to make up a significant portion of the universe, but its exact nature remains unknown. Understanding the history of the universe is an ongoing scientific endeavor. Through observations, experiments, and theoretical models, scientists continue to explore the mysteries of the cosmos, shedding light on the incredible story of how our universe came to be.